Hi team, my name is Emma Thompson. I live in Tate County, Mississippi. I am currently a student at the University of Southern Miss, currently getting my bachelor's degree in elementary education and planning to graduate in May of 2026. In this short video, we'll look at 9 key assessment terms that directly connect to how we teach and assess reading comprehension. I'll share what they mean and give a quick example and explain how each supports comprehension instructions in your classroom. Let's jump in. Assessments play a crucial role in guiding and improving reading comprehension instruction by using a variety of assessment types. You have the diagnostic, the formative, summative, and many more. Educators can better use the students' needs, track their progress, and tailor instruction to better support deepening the comprehension, meaning it'll help us see where the student needs to improve, how to help them, and what more that we can do. The first strategy we're going to talk about is comprehension strategies. Techniques readers use to make sense of a text when they're wanting to predict what's going to happen, answering questions, visualizing what's actually happening in the story, and being able to summarize it, giving us a summative of, instead of us having to read it all, telling us what they thought and everything. Teaching students to ask questions while reading helps them actively engage with the text, improving understanding and retain, which means asking questions of, okay, so why did the character do this in the story? Why do you think that's happening? That's helping the students understand as they're reading, hey, maybe that would be the reason, or hey, that's the idea. The next one we're going to talk about is text structures, how information written within a written text is organized. What's the cause, the effect, what's the problem in the story, the solution, comparing and contrasting the story with others. Teaching students to recognize a cause and effect structure in the text helps them follow the author's legacy and recall key points for easy understanding. Informational text is a non-fiction writing designed to inform or explain. News articles, scientific reports, and how-to guides would be like informational text. It's like giving them helps them understand the features like heading, captures, the diagrams for better students to better understand and comprehend the text more. Literacy text is a fictional writing intended to entertain or convey themes, novels, short stories, poetry. It helps a student analyze a character's motivation in a story. Metacognition, thinking about one's own thinking. A student pausing to ask, does this make sense? Teaching students to use metacognition strategies like self-questioning empowers them to monitor and adjust their understanding as they read. Reading comprehension, the ability to understand and reflect on written text, answering questions that require inference. All comprehension strategies, from summarizing to predicting, are used to build and assess students' overall reading comprehension. Summarizing, which is restating the main idea of a text. An example would be, this article explains how recycling helps reduce pollution. where when students summarize each paragraph, they are practicing disguising important information and critical comprehension skills. Bloom's revised as a framework for categorizing educational goals into cognitive levels, remembering, understand, apply, analyze, evaluate, create. Using analyze level questions like why did the author choose this ending pushes students beyond recall and into deepening their comprehension. Story elements. The basic parts of a narrative: the characters, setting, plot, conflict resolution. An example would be a student identifies the climax in a story and explains its impact. The understanding the story's elements helps students track the narrative arc, improving both literally and inferentially in comprehension. So there you have it, 9 powerful terms that shape how we teach comprehension. Whether you're designing a lesson or analyzing student data, understanding these terms helps us support all readers more effectively. Thanks for watching and happy teaching.